Unit 6, Presentation and Practice 2, Exercise 4. Listen to a journalist talking about two famous trials, and for each, identify the name of the criminal, the crime committed, the jury's verdict, and/or the sentence.
Two big trials that have happened in the last decades are those of O.J. Simpson and Bernard Madoff. In July 1994, the police arrested the ex-football star O.J. Simpson for the murders of Nicole Brown Simpson, his ex-wife, and Ronald Goldman, a friend of Nicole's. If the double murder hadn't had a celebrity suspect, it wouldn't have caught the public's attention. In the trial, which started in January 1995, the first witnesses gave evidence that Simpson had a motive and the opportunity to kill. Simpson's defense team, however, were able to suggest that he had not committed the crime. That's why the jury brought in a verdict of not guilty. In 2007, the police arrested O.J. Simpson again, this time accusing him of robbery and kidnapping after a strange incident in Las Vegas. He had robbed a hotel, together with other men, to take some sports memorabilia he said belonged to him. In the following trial, the judge sentenced him to 33 years in prison and the possibility of parole after 9 years. If O.J. Simpson hadn't behaved well in prison, he wouldn't have gained his freedom in 2017. Another big trial was that of Bernard Madoff, a man who has become a symbol of corruption and fraud. In 2009, Bernard Madoff admitted defrauding thousands of investors in a criminal scheme. If he hadn't committed the biggest financial fraud in US history, the jury wouldn't have tried him, and the judge wouldn't have sentenced him to 150 years in prison. The police investigated Madoff's firm 8 times because it had made exceptional returns. It was only the 2008 financial crisis which revealed Madoff's real failure as an investor. Would the police have discovered Madoff's crimes if there hadn't been a crisis? The list of Madoff's victims included film director Steven Spielberg's charitable foundation, some UK banks, but also teachers, farmers, mechanics, and many others who lost money because of him. In 2017, Robert De Niro and Michelle Pfeiffer starred in the film The Wizard of Lies, which reveals the inside story of Madoff's scandal.